So I'm just walking around right now. I'm gonna go try to find a place to eat, although there are a lot of places to eat here, but maybe I'm just being picky. So I'm just exploring the city, but damn, I came around the corner and I found this. I don't really know what the hell this building is, but what a cool looking thing. I think one of the Mission Impossibles was filmed here in Rome. Or maybe James Bond or whatever, one of those rubbish Hollywood films are filmed here in Rome. But wow, this really does look like something out of Hollywood, but it's real. How cool is that? Let's go take a closer look. Yeah, what a cool building.